Hello friend, welcome back. In this video I want to discuss about that default parameter. Default parameter means right now I want to remove it. Okay, I remove it and also I remove it. So now that will be as a default. Okay, I make it as a default parameters. Default parameters. So what exactly the default parameters? Like I take one of the function. Okay, I take one of the function as a calculate sum. Into this calculate sum I take as a 3 as a number 1, number 2, and also I take another parameter as a number 3. Okay, I take another one as a number 3. Now I want to sum it. I want to sum it with the late and then sum. I take another one as a number 3. So that will be as a number 2 plus number 3. Right, and now I take that things in our sum area and then I return this sum, then let the result. So right now I want to do that is a calculated. From here you can pass some of the value. I can also do that work in different way. Like I want to do and to run this console log. I want to run total things into the console log area. Okay, so here I simply paste it. There is a console log. I don't need this. There is a console log, and then that is our function name, right? So that is our function. And that means here I want to do and to take it. I simply cut it from to this area. Okay, I cut it from to this area and then here I paste it. So now there is our method name, and the number 1 value I make it as a 10, number 2 value I make it as a 20, and number 3 value I make it as a 30. Okay, I make it as a comma and then 30. So that is our value. Now that will be printed in our console log. Now if you click as a save all, now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now perfectly show as a 60. Okay, that means everything is working perfectly. So now I want to pass on the default parameter. That means the default parameter means there is a number 2, right? Number 2 value I want to do and to pass it from here. So if you want to pass it, then that will be as in our number 2 I want to pass it as a 40. Okay, I pass it as a 40. And for the number 3 I also want to pass another default value. Okay, I want to pass another default value as a like as a 60. Okay, I make it as a 60 right now. So here I have already passed 2 of this default parameter value as a 40 and then the 60. Right now if you don't want to display it, like here I remove it. So our first number is the 10, second number default parameter, here I pass that value as a 40 and then the 60. That means that is our 60, 100 and 110, right? Now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, yes, you can see it's now successfully displayed as a 110. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. So that is our default function. Okay, that is our default one of the parameter value. If you want to pass on the default parameter value like that way, you can pass it from here. So that is our argument. Okay, so from here if you want to pass it again from to this position, then like right now I want to do and remove it. And for the number 2 I want to pass another argument in here. I want to pass it as a 50 right now. Okay, I make it as a 50. Now that will be what? That is the 10 and then the 50 and then the 60. That means the 120, right? Now if you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see that is 120. Okay, so if you want to pass some of the default parameter, you can pass it like that way. I hope friend it's very much clear to you. In our next video I want to discuss about you can write down this function in different way. How can do that work? I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.